front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Information and click on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Following that, just click on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and select Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!